Hello guys, and welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to design or customize a Facebook ad with Canva. So the first thing you have to do is to go to the website or the app and scroll and choose the social media section here. So once you click on it, it should bring you to a page similar to this. And since we want to create a Facebook ad, all you have to do is to click the Facebook icon here. So once you click on it, you should have something like this: Facebook ad, Facebook post, Facebook cover, and the rest. So you can just scroll and choose the Facebook ad here, then click on it, and it should bring you to a page where you can customize the prepared template to your preference. So once the page is fully set, you can choose a template of your choice on the left side and add it to your blank canvas. So let's say I want to let's say I want to use this. So let's say this is what I'm going for. All I have to do is to just customize each section, add as many images or text or graphics I want to, and download. So this is how to create a Facebook ad with Canva. If you've enjoyed this video, please let me know in the comment section, and do have a great day.